5 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 84. English. Spotlight 5. Progress check number 6. Homework page 84. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly, it's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 84. 84. Progress check number 6. Exercise number 1. Fill in, watch, get, go, have, and, or, walk. Вставь watch, get, go, have, walk. The answer. Number 1. Get up. Number 2. Watch a DVD. Number 3. Have a cup of tea. Number 4. Go to bed. Number 5. Work on my computer. Number 6. Go jogging. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. What time is it? Сколько сейчас времени? The answer. It's 1:30. It's 3 o'clock. It's 7:15. It's 11:45. It's 9:15. Exercise number 3. Write their jobs. Запишите название профессий. The answer. Doctor, baker, mechanic, teacher, waiter. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Put the words in the correct order to make full sentences. Расставьте слова в правильном порядке, чтобы получилось предложение. The answer. Number 1. We usually go shopping at the weekend. Number 2. He sometimes goes to bed late. Number 3. Samantha never watches TV in the morning. Number 4. I usually eat dinner at 7:30. Number 5. Tim often meets his dad after school. We must do exercise number 5. Complete the sentences with the present continuous. Закончи предложение, используя present continuous. Настоящее длительное время. The answer. My dad is painting the house today. What are you doing, Sam? I'm writing an email to my friend. The children aren't watching TV now. They are doing their homework. Is John repairing his car? Yes, he is. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Use the prompts to fill in the gaps. Используйте подсказки, чтобы заполнить пропуски. The answer. Excuse me, what time, please? It's 5:15. Why don't we go shopping this afternoon? Sorry, I got a lot of homework. Let's go to the cinema. Sounds great. Have you got the time, please? It's 7:00. The task. Now I can. Now I can. Talk right about daily routines. The answer. My name's Anne. I have a very busy life. In the morning, I get up at 6 a.m. every day. I have milk, fruit juice, and yogurt for breakfast. After this, I go jogging and then I go to school. In the afternoon, I have lunch, then I do my homework. I often go shopping with my friends. In the evening, I have dinner. I watch a DVD and then I go to bed. Your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.